everybody. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out a whole bunch of new makeup that I have. A lot of it is just samples, honestly, but if I'm going to try something out, might as well do it on camera. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be doing, but I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I first of all have this one. This is the Secret Sauce Anti-Aging Moisturizer. Clinically Advanced Miraculous Moisturizers. We're going to try and use this to prep the skin before we apply the other makeup. It smells good. I do like the feeling of this. It kind of feels a little bit like smoothing. I'm going to use the True Match Lumi Liquid Glow Illuminator and just put this all over my skin. Definitely making it go on a lot easier than it normally does. This is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Lines Foundation. This is what it looks like. Oh, I want to try this out with a brush, so I'm going to try it out with a brush. This is in the shade medium. I think it's going to be quite dark for me. So it's dark, but it's not. It's really yellow. IT Cosmetics always does really well with like a comfortable feeling but nice coverage. It doesn't seem like this is a full coverage foundation right now. I like it. It's very, and this could just be because of the moisturizer, or it could be because of the primer, or it could just be all three, but it's very, very glowy. Like, there is shine all over my face. I'm gonna go ahead and take this Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation in the shade 9 Neutral. It's it's a little bit darker than this one, but it's also more full coverage, so I'm just going to take it onto my cheeks. Not everywhere, just my cheeks and my forehead. Okay, so pretty much everywhere, but just in the centers of my face. I have a lot of freckles and I don't like them. I'm already a really petite person, so add freckles on that and I look like I'm 10. This is the part that really transforms me, is just getting a nice clean even skin tone after my makeup. What I love about glowy foundations is it seems like there's not as much, it doesn't look cakey like at all. It looks like just really like I've put an oil on my natural skin. I think it'd be easier to believe that if I didn't have foundation lips. The Bye Bye Under Eye full coverage anti-aging waterproof concealer, and like I said, we're gonna go pretty dramatic with the makeup today, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. I used to actually have this product, so this isn't really like a new thing. I haven't used it in a long time though, and I did enjoy it. I just never really got around to repurchasing it, so a little bit. This is way too much, honestly, and I'm just gonna take it underneath my eyes. So this is even more extra full coverage for me. To blend that in, I'm gonna take this brush from AOA Studio and just blend it out. Like, well, not really blend it, we're really just tapping it in. There's a huge difference. I know I talked about this before, but in the way that your coverage is gonna come out, or how much coverage that your foundation or concealer or whatever product, really it's just with foundation, concealer, and correctors. If you pat them in, then you are gonna get a lot more opacity. And that generally goes for all cream products, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So it would work for any liquid or cream products. Works on everything because it does powders too. Take the Glamoflauge by Hard Candy, and I'm gonna just take it on the really, like just the dark area right there. A lot of people will use highlight and do it from here to here to here. And that's really just for highlighting purposes only, not covering up dark circles. If you're trying to cover up dark circles, then you need to only be putting the light color in the darkest part of your eye. You do that and you just put it there on the kind of hollowness of your eye. To blend it, I'm going to use this Deluxe Crease Brush from Real Techniques. And as I already told you guys before, if you want to keep the coverage in something, you're going to have to pat. But like for over here, I can go in circular motions just to really ensure that it's all blended. So I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toast. And I'm just going to get a little bit right there. Start at the back and apply it towards like more of the back part of your face, your cheekbones. That's where it would be the darkest. So you want to get most of the product off and then just and do that, and you're going to get a lot more of a natural contour if you really take the time to blend it out and not use a huge brush and just because then it can kind of go everywhere. I'm gonna do that. We're gonna start here, buffing our way. Okay, so I was having a conversation with my mom. Sorry. I'm just buffing this out, and I'm actually gonna go in like little motions like that, and then pinch it inwards a little bit right here. Not pinch it, but just kind of push it upwards. And take this angled brush. It won't always set if you put it on top of a whole bunch of creams. So that's also another, I mean, it works with gel eyeliner too and stuff like that. Now for the eyes, what I'm actually gonna do, I just thought of this. So I'm just gonna take that concealer that we used, just apply it all over. I'm gonna take this one and just make sure it's clean, and then buff it out. You can use a darker concealer or your contouring shade and create a little smoky eye. It's also going to give more of a natural look. It's not going to be so in your face. Since it's a cream finish, it has a little bit more of a skin-like finish. I'm going to take this Milani eyeshadow palette and use this color right here just with my finger. It reminds me of MAC tan pigment, and I really wish I could be applying that right now. But I use that all the time, so probably don't even need to. I'm gonna go ahead and take it up into my crease. This is like, I'm just keeping the shimmer through the center of my eye, and then I'll keep the sides of it really matte. Like that. Now, just because I'm me and I want it to be a little bit more zhuzhed, I'm going to take a black. Go ahead. Oh, you know what I should do, really? I'm gonna set underneath my eyes first because I know that black is gonna fall under here. And if we don't have some set concealer, ooh, that'd be a situation. Take it. This is also gonna help with our nose contour because we can highlight it and add more of a contrast. I'm going to take the black, like I said before, and pack it into my lower lash line. And I'm going to take this brush. It's kind of like a I like to use it to set my brow bone a lot, but today I'm going to use it to kind of smoke out this look a little bit. I'm going to take some liner, and this is the Jordana Fabuliner. Apply some mascara. I love this It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. It's literally so good. It curls your lashes. It's like weird. It's like these get my lashes as big as it is like physically possible. I cut this really fluffy pair of lashes up into chunks, and I'm gonna just do the chunks. I'm going to take Chisel and my Tartiest Pro to Glow, or Pro Glow to Go. Dang, I cannot talk today. So I'm using my small stipple brush from e.l.f. and I'm carving my cheekbone out right here. I'm going to use this shade right here in my BH Cosmetics blush palette to bronze up our skin, like just get it a little bit warmer. I'm going to take this shade right here, apply it right on the back of my cheekbone right there. I am going to do a little bit of highlight, but it's not going to be crazy glowy or anything like that. I'm going to take this shade by Milani. It looks like a, you know, a lit from within kind of glow. I'm going to overdraw my lips using the NYX Natural, or no, this is Taupe, I think. And I'm gonna use the actually LA Colors. This is a really inexpensive brand. Matte liquid lip color in the shade Vixen. You really don't have to use super expensive makeup products to make a makeup look good. I'm gonna take this from Jordana. This is the Modern Matte lipstick in the shade Matte Frappicino. And I'm just taking it onto the outline of my lip and just tapping it. This is gonna make my real lip line not seem as prominent because obviously I did overline. And then just to get a little bit of an ombre, I'm gonna use this sculpting stick from Colourpop. Actually, it's like a highlighting stick for your face. Hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.